Before updating, ensure that the SD card is inserted in QooCam and check if there is at least 50% battery level in the camera. Press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on QooCam. Press it again to open Wi-Fi function and the Wi-Fi signal is flashing. Go to the phone's Wi-Fi setting, choose QooCam's Wi-Fi and type the password 12345678. Open QooCam app and it will check whether the firmware is the latest version. If not, a notification with firmware version and update information will automatically pop up. Tap Download and start downloading the firmware package. The firmware package will then transfer to the camera. After the transferring, the camera will automatically update the firmware. During the process, the power light flashes. Don't touch any button or switch the camera off. When camera upgrade is completed, the camera will automatically turn off. Turn on QooCam and use the updated device.